Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sell digital products on your Shopify store. Whether you're offering ebooks, PDFs, online courses, or any other digital product, this process ensures a seamless setup and automatic delivery for your customers. The best part is that you can achieve this setup entirely for free. Try Shopify for $1 by using the links in description. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about what you'll need to do. Shopify requires a little extra configuration to ensure your digital products are delivered automatically after purchase. I'll show you how to create the product, configure its details, and use a free app to handle the delivery. First, start by creating a new product on Shopify. Log into your Shopify dashboard and click on the Add Product button. Give your product a name. Let's use Demo eBook as an example. Next, add a description. For this demonstration, I've copied an example description, but you'll want to write something tailored to your digital product. Now, upload the cover image or any other visuals related to your product. This will be the image customers see when browsing your store. Once the visuals are added, set a price. Let's use 12.99 rupees as an example. Decide whether to charge taxes based on your region and product type. Since this is a digital product, inventory tracking isn't usually necessary. If you're selling a limited edition or exclusive version, you can set a specific quantity. Add an SKU if you wish, though it's not mandatory. One critical step is to change the product type. Scroll down to the Shipping section and deselect the option for a physical product. This tells Shopify that the item is a digital product or service. If your product has multiple variants like different editions or bonus content, you can set that up under the Variants section. For example, you might offer a regular edition and a bonus edition, each with its own price. After filling out these details, add tags or collections to organize your store. For instance, you can tag this as an ebook and assign it to an ebooks collection. Once everything is set, click Save. At this stage, your product is live, but there's one issue. Customers won't automatically receive the product after purchase. That's where the Digital Downloads app comes in. To solve this, visit the Shopify App Store and search for Digital Downloads. Look for the app icon labeled Free and install it on your store. Once installed, the app allows you to attach digital files to any product. In the app dashboard, find the product you just created. Click Add Digital Files and upload the appropriate files for each variant if applicable. For example, if you have regular and bonus editions, upload separate files for each. You can also adjust settings like download limits. By default, downloads are unlimited, but you can restrict this to a specific number if needed. Set the fulfillment type to automatic. This ensures that upon purchase, the customer instantly receives their digital file. Save your changes and your product setup is complete. When a customer buys this product, the process is seamless. During checkout, they won't be asked for a shipping address. Instead, after completing their purchase, they'll see a download button on the confirmation page. Additionally, they'll receive an email with a download link. Clicking the link directs them to a page where they can easily access their product. One note: ensure your digital file is under 5 gigabytes, as this is the app's limit. That's how you set up and sell digital products on Shopify. It's simple, efficient, and completely free. If you're interested, try Shopify for $1 by using link in the description. That's it. Thank you for watching.